In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set default position sizes in Ctrader. Setting a default position size is a simple way to speed up your workflow and keep your risk consistent. Instead of retyping the same number each time you open a ticket, Ctrader can remember it for you. Here's how it works and what to look out for as you go. First, open Ctrader and log into your trading account. Give the platform a moment to load your workspace and charts. Whether you're on a live or demo account, the process is exactly the same. Next, right-click on any chart and choose Place New Order. This opens the order ticket for the symbol you clicked. You're not placing a trade yet, you're just accessing the panel where the default gets saved. You can do this from any symbol's chart, and you don't need to change instruments for this to work. Inside the order ticket, locate the volume field. Volume is your position size. Depending on your broker's setup, you might see this displayed as lots, units, or a contract-based size. For example, 1 point house could mean one standard lot, while smaller numbers like 0.10 or 0.01 indicate mini or micro lots. Some symbols have specific minimums and step sizes, so if the number snaps to a certain increment, that's normal. Click in the volume box and type the position size you want to use by default. Pick a value that matches your risk plan and the typical trades you place. You can use decimals if your symbol allows them. If you enter a figure below the minimum or not aligned with the step size, Ctrader will usually adjust it to the nearest valid value. Keep in mind that different instruments may have different permissible increments, so choose a size that works broadly for what you trade most often. Press Enter on your keyboard or click anywhere outside the box. That confirms the value in the ticket. You haven't submitted an order, no trade will be placed unless you click Buy or Sell. So this step is safe to do while you're setting things up. From now on, that value is saved and will appear automatically the next time you open a new order ticket. This helps keep your sizing consistent and speeds up execution when the market is moving. Still, make it a habit to glance at the volume field before you place a trade, especially when switching symbols, as requirements can vary. If you ever want to change the default, repeat these same steps and enter a new number.